If you've ever watched a kid on a video call, you know how it goes. One minute, it's all giggles and fun, just a window into their own little world of imagination. But then, bam! An unexpected moment can change everything. In this explainer, we're going to unpack a simple story that reveals some pretty powerful lessons for navigating the digital world with our kids.
Okay, so picture this. It's a scene we're all familiar with, right? A kid, Dodo, is on a video call with their favorite uncle, Uncle Dolby. It's all smiles, laughter, and that pure, simple joy of connecting through a screen. I mean, this is the digital world at its absolute best. Simple, fun, and bringing people closer.
And here's the big question that really gets to the heart of our story. In the middle of all that fun, what happens when something pops up that's startling or even just a little bit scary? How does a perfectly happy digital adventure suddenly turn into a moment of fright? Let's find out.
Now, before things take a turn, it's really important to see just how magical these digital hangouts can be. See, Dodo and Uncle Dolby weren't just talking. They were exploring a whole world of digital fun, really tapping into the amazing creative side of this technology.
And this is where their imaginations just took off. They weren't just passively watching. No way. They were creating. They were pretending to be explorers in the desert, becoming silly copy robots, and trying on every single fun filter they could get their hands on. The screen wasn't a barrier. It was their own personal stage.
But right in the middle of all that laughter, the whole vibe is about to shift. This is where the virtual world gets a little too real and, yeah, a little bit scary. And things can change in an instant.
So, while they're deep in play mode, something new enters the screen, an unexpected guest. And this moment just perfectly illustrates how fast the tone of an online interaction can switch for a child, going from pure fun to, wait, what is that? In a split second.
And there it is. The unexpected guest is a virtual shark. Probably one of those playful filters, right? Now, to an adult, it's obviously fake. But to a child like Dodo, that image can be genuinely startling. It's such a powerful reminder that even features designed for fun can be seen very, very differently through a kid's eyes.
So what happens in that crucial moment right after the scare? This is where the story turns, and that moment of fright actually becomes a powerful lesson. It's all about Dodo learning a truly fundamental skill for the digital age, the power of staying calm.
Just think about it for a second. A kid's first instinct might be to panic or get really scared. But instead of letting that feeling take over, Dodo learns to do something different. Just take a breath. This one simple act is the first step toward building digital resilience, that ability to handle a surprise online without getting totally overwhelmed. It's a huge moment.
Okay, so this one experience with the virtual shark, it leads us to something much bigger, a more practical framework. How do we, as the parents and guardians, create some basic rules for these digital playgrounds to make them safer?
Well, the story points to two really simple but super effective strategies. First up, setting clear time limits on screen time to make sure there's a healthy balance. And second, actively making safety a priority during their exploration. That just means being present and helping them understand and process what they're seeing, just like what happened with Dodo.
So let's bring all this together. What is the key takeaway from this little story about a video call? Well, it's all about how we can move from a startling shark to a real workable strategy. And this is the core message right here. That virtual shark wasn't just a scare, it was a teachable moment. It opened the door for a conversation about what's real versus what's not, and how to handle our feelings when we see something unexpected online. These moments are absolute gold for building resilience and digital smarts. And that leaves us with one final thought. Dodo's story really gives us a blueprint. It's not about avoiding technology or being afraid of the next shark. It's about being ready to turn those scary moments into powerful lessons. So the real question isn't just for Dodo. It's for all of us. How can we make every screen a space for truly safe exploration?